we are really thrilled to unveil the exciting plans for the new Discovery Place Nature, and I am so excited to share this moment with you. We are building a best-in-class institution and site for the citizens of Charlotte.
It's much more about rejuvenation, celebration, and really thinking about a place. The place being Charlotte, the Piedmont of North Carolina, and really, spending time just designing something with that kind of celebratory ethos to it. So it's a great project.